sikhale mani isibhamu. I'm sure over 12 times isoloku sikhala. Athi uMbali mama ubaba uphi? Ngithi mina azoqeda ukuphuma manje. And by that time kukhale umnyango wase dining room. Umnyango ophumela egarage. Nawuvuleka lo mnyango sengikhanyisile. And then ngathi kunesibhamu esiyesa double up apart kwesibindi. So sathera isibindi sakhe apart.
Okay.
So bazamela ukuthi bastishe but asisahlangani. And kwanabo ubaba soloka ye theater azange bake bamvale la. Ubaba was still opened from a Forest hospital. Wonke lamalanga la naseJoburg jail. Baso bathi hayi asifuni ukumvala ngoba siphindele theater.
Hello and welcome back to the Hope Revolution podcast. My name is Maro and I am your host once again today. We are yet to dive into another story that is yet to teach us a thing about or two about the life that we're living in this country. Thank you guys so much for reaching out to our guests and engaging them and inspiring them and encouraging them and advising them in terms of how they can resolve the challenges that they're going through. We really appreciate you. Also, if you want to see whether we have seen you and spotlighted you, you can just check on the handles below to see if you appear there. If you don't, please don't be discouraged. Keep commenting because we are posting these episodes randomly. So sometimes we're posting an episode. They are not in sequence. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say. So don't be discouraged when you don't see your name on the bottom. Just be on the lookout on the next episode. Also, don't hesitate to contact us if you feel that you want to sit here with me and dive into these conversations and these stories where possible. We also want to know what you're going through. We also want to learn what you have learned. We also want to hear how you managed to navigate the challenges that you have gone through. Without wasting time, we've got another amazing guest in studio. Let me welcome her to the show. Sawubona Mama Kunjani?
Ngiyaphila wena njani?
Ngikhona. Yes, I feel so dignified when I've got my elders coming through to the studio and sitting with me. I really feel like, these episodes are the ones where I learn the most. Mama ngizothi ubani wakuphi?
Umama Mthoko kunene.
Okay.
Ngibuya eKwaThema.
Okay. No, thank you so much, Mama. Sizothi ubani umama nje generally. What type of a person are you? We also want to just know a little bit about the person you are.
Eish. Yeah, mina ngumama okhonzayo. Osaba uJehova ngendlela emangalisayo.
Amen.
I have kids.
Yeah.
Abaningi, I can't count them. Baningi kakhulu. Ngumama nje ozothile ozithobile. Yeah, ongathandi ukukhuluma.
Yeah.
Yeah.
With a lot of people that come here, they're burning hot, so they're always ready to but your persona and your personality, you're very calm, and it's something very different with most of the guests that I engage.
Yeah, no, thank you. It's because I've prayed about this, ne? Yeah, ukuthi uNkulunkulu angisize. Yeah, ukuthi whatever that I'm going to say, ngathuki, ngabi novalo. Ngoba neBhayibheli lasho lithi singasabi singabi novalo ngoba yena unathi.
Powerful.
Ngaso sonke isikhathi.
Amen.
Thank you
so much. I really appreciate that you bring a very strong sense of faith, and I love where you are starting. I want to also just dive into you a little bit and understand your upbringing and ukhulele khayeni elinjani in your upbringing, and and how does that constitute to the person that you become today?
Yeah, ngikhulele ekhayeni lika gogo nomkhulu.
Okay.
Yeah, ibaba ngikhulisile bangakha to become what I am today. Bangifundisa isikolo. Bangifundisa nje nezinto eziningi nje zokuphila. Yeah, ugogo wami engakutshela ukuthi uye ongakhile ukuthi ngibe yilo muntu engiwuye namhlanje.
Okay.
Yeah, even the challenges engihlangabezana nazo, I am able to face them because indlela engikhule ngayo.
Okhule ngayo.
Yeah.
Oh, that's powerful. Umama nobaba bakuphi?
Abasekho emhlabeni.
Okay. Hence kumele uye kugogo nomkhulu.
Naye ugogo nomkhulu abasekho.
Abasekho. Oh no, God rest their soul. But we are happy because they left their signature with you.
Exactly.
And it's explicit, it's visible. Siyabonga umsebenzi wabo.
Thank you.
Thank you guys so much. Let's jump into indaba ekuletha la namhlanje.
Indaba engiletha lana namhlanje indaba eyangihlukumeza kakhulu nabantwana bami nomndeni wami nje as a whole.
Okay.
Yeah, 2023 ngoMay my husband was shot.
Okay.
Yeah. Bamdubula several shots. Yeah, egate.
Sure.
Kusho ukuthi bekumuntu obeka patroller.
Okay.
With the community. Ebusuku baye baphume bayobheka ukuthi igebengu azihlukumezi abantu eitradini and all that.
Okay.
So it happened on that day, on the 22nd of May. Kusho ukuthi isikhathi sakhe sokuphuma beku-2 ebusuku.
Okay.
Yeah. Wavuka kahle kwela 2 was prepare waqoka. Baphatha amathoshi bafake nale impahla zabo lezi. Yeah. Nakaphuma endlini it was exactly 2 o'clock.
Okay.
And then khona abobaba ahlangabezana nabo estradeni bese ke bayaphuma ke baya patrol.
Okay.
Waphuma 2 o'clock but nakaphuma there was a car ebeyisoloko ireva outside.
Okay.
Ngize ngiyambuza ukuthi mara uyayizwa le moto le? Uthi ngiyayizwa. Okay, aphume yena vele bekumuntu ongasabi. Yeah. Aphume 5 minutes iphele ngizwe le moto seyithulile.
Okay.
7 minutes past 2 Kalisbar. And ngalelo langa lelo bekumnyama, kuyi-load shedding.
Okay.
It was dark. Hey, na Kalisbar, sikhale man isibhamu. I'm sure over 12 times isoloko sikhale. Ngivuke. Nangivuka kanti nabantwana bayavuka. Sesizohlangana la dining room.
Okay.
Athumbali mama ubaba uphi? Ngithi mina azoqeda ukuphuma manje. And by that time kukhale umnyango wase dining room. Umnyango ophumela egarage. Nawuvuleka lo mnyango sengikhanyisile. Angene. Enena kangena ungena uzibambile yabona. Ngisho ngithe bebadubula yena. But he managed ukuthi angene avale umnyango. Athi kimi qishi light. Ngiqishi light. But umqondo wami ubuye futhi uthi no man, angikwazi uqishi light ngoba angisamboni manje kumnyama. But ngikhona ukuthi afike kimi ngimbamba isandla. Singene ekamereni, nasingene ekamereni afike awe phansi. Ngikhanyise mina ngithi akusizi. Ngikhanyisa ilight, lama light la esiwakhanyisayo igesi nayihambile.
Yes.
Nabantwana sebangenile ekamereni. Ahlale ayame ngombhedo. But akho gazi. So ngizama ukumvula ngibone manje ukuthi iskipa sona sinama holes yabona enene negazi nje elincane nje but akableed kakhulu lo muntu. Ayi bazama abantwana ukufona ke bafonela bosisi bakhe. Ngithi mina no tshelani uAndile akhiphe imoto. Zama uAndile ukhiphe imoto ngapha sizama ukufonela amaphoyisa. Amaphoyisa aswathuli. Sifonele ambulance asiyitholi. Ngithi mina Andile akakhiphe imoto. Sikhashana abuye Andile athi mama imoto sengiyikhiphile. Nasithi siya-check imoto kababa nayo inembobo.
Okay.
Ngithi mina no this one asingahambi ngayo. Already kanti uAndile sekayibekile enye imoto egeyidini.
Okay.
Simgugu baba siphume naye akhona ukuzihambela kahle. Singene emotweni. Kumnyama. Kwalabo baba laba apatrola nabo. Angiboni noyi1 kubo. Khona bobaba khona bomama abeka patrola nabo. But not even noyi1 ngalelo langa lelo. Uphumile. So engqondweni yami kubuye ukuthi kusho ukuthi ubaba bekayi1. Okay. Ingqondo yami manje seyisekutheni asiyena esibhedlela manje. Ngoba ambulance asinayo. Ngempela sirashele esibhedlela. Sifika esibhedlela. Sifike basinikeze i-wheelchair, simkhiphe, simfake ku-wheelchair. Angene, ayibam attend man. Fast bam attend. Thola ukuthi hayi isimo akuso asijabulisi kakhulu. Sihlale ke ngaphandle basoloko babhizi ngaye. Bangibize after some time ngene. Nangena ngithola ukuthi sekaphaphamile.
Okay.
Athi lo sister lo mama uyakhona ukukhuluma. Ungeze uzombona. Ngoba ubonile vele ukuthi sengiyashake manje ngithukile. Ngikhulume naye ngithi uyangizwa avume ngenhloko athi angiyakuzwa. Akhiphe i-ring yakhe. Athi ibambe le ring ngoba usister lo bekathi ngiyikhiphe.
Okay.
So ngiyasaba ukuthi ngizoyikhipha bese iyalahleka. Anginikeze le ring. Bathi ngiphume futhi ngiyohlala ezitulweni e-waiting room. Ngempela ngiphume solo baba busy ngaye. Kuze kushaya bo6. Solo sihlezi
Excellent.
Ekseni esibhedlela. Sise Farist ngaleso sikhathi Farist Hospital.
Okay.
Hey ingqondo yami ibuye ukuthi yazi I have a brother osebenza eFarist. Mhlambe sikakhona. Yabona? Ngimfonele aphendula ifoni athi awuyazi ngila isibhedlela vele. Ngithi mina no nami ngikhona ngila i-casualty. Eze vele ngimtshele what happened athuke angena yombheka abuye angi-assure ukuthi no bayam-attenda uyahamba manje uye-theatre. Abuye usister athi no singakhululeka sihambe. But okwamanje ubaba uyahamba uye-theatre and then from e-theatre ku-obvious bazamnikisa ewodini. Sikhululeke sihambe nasesihamba ngithi mina ebantwaneni no asiqalene epolice station. Siyoreporta this matter. Ngoba phela ebusuku asikhonanga ukuthi wakuwathola amaphoyisa. Nasifike epolice station sithola kugcwele kanti sekufike ama-patrollers la abasebenzisana naye ubaba. Sibulisane bangibuze mama alright ngithi no I'm fine ngithi ngizoreporta indaba yakababa. Ngoba ebusuku asikhonanga ukuthola amaphoyisa. Kube khona ozayo kimathi no mama hamba manje uye ekhaya amaphoyisa bathi sowasendlini.
Okay.
Cabanga ubani leso sikhathi leso sekwabo 7.
Okay.
Hayi sambe sendlini vele nangifika nangamaveni ayi2 amile ngaphandle. Hayi nabantu kuqwele nje. Hayi ngingene ngihambe ngendlini bangilandele ayiphoyisa eliwani lingibuza ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Ngithi no angazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni. But nje into engakutshela yona ukuthi ngizwe mina nje sekukhala isibhamu. Ukuthi what happened outside I don't know. Khala isibhamu ngimtshele ukuthi ngasiphi isikhathi and after kwayenzakalani. Abhale phansi. Okay. Ngabo 11 afika umntanami singene emotweni sihambe sesibhedlela.
Okay.
Nasifika esibhedlela ngoba asazi ukuthi kweyiphi ward siqine aya e-theater. Sicale casualty sibuzise ayi abazi. Hawu kanjani labantu basesibhedlela bangazi ukuthi umuntu osuke ngesikhathi esiso aya e-theater abazi ukuthi ukuphi kanjani. Ngifonela ubhuti wami futhi. Eze nakeza angene ngale casualty abuye athi no sengiqeda ukufona ngifonele e-theater.
Okay.
So bathi usese se-theater mara baqedile ukusebenza ngaye. So bebamele ukuthi athole umbhedo e-ICU because angeke akhona ukuya ewodi. Wo okay. Athi no khululekani hambani. Ya ngizanifonela mina ngintshela ukuthi use-ICU kowuphi umbhedo. Sikhululeke vele sihambe afone vele asho ukuthi no sesiwutholile umbhedo sesimhambisile se-ICU. Nifikeni ngo3 nizombona. Hayi sibuye nasesibuya ngo3 sikhona ukumbona ke. Hayi lo muntu akasakhulumi lo. Hawu akasakhulumi sebamfaka amaphayiphi. Hey ngibuza usister lo o in charge lapha embedeni wakhe athi no mama okwamanje since abuya e-theater usadakekile. Yeah kusho ukuthi injection sesekhona emzimbeni. Mhlawumbe kusasa nizomthola seka right. Ngithi no angeke ngikhona ukubuya kusasa. Ngizobuya ngo7. Damba. Kusho ukuthi definitely vele ngo7 afika umntana futhi azosithatha. Sibuyele esibhedlela. Nasibuyela ayi ngimthole still ukuthi hayi akakabi right. But nangikhuluma naye uyaphendula ngenhloko.
Okay.
Yeah. Ayi ngimbamba isandla ngithi mina yazini if uyavumelana nalento engisho squeeze isandla sami. Ngimbuza ukuthi ubabonile nala abantu abakudukulile. Athi nhloko uyabazi. Athi angibazi. Hayi okay fine ngithi mina are you in pain? Asqueeze isandla sami. Kusho ukuthi yapainelwa manje. Okay. Hayi ngimbuza usister ukuthi bamenzeni e-theater asho ukuthi no bamvulile. Bacheka bakhipha ipoison bamcleana but abamvalanga.
Okay.
Why bangamvalanga? Because uzobuyela futhi e-theater.
Okay.
Hawu uzobuyela. Oh okay kulungile. liphele iviki ngisoloko ngigijima i-Forest Hospital. Ngifika ngo-11, ngifike ngo-3, ngifike ngo-7 every day. No change.
Bamvalile eventually.
No, abamvalanga. Kusho ukuthi nje bamfake nje ibandage
Okay.
la phezulu.
Okay.
Yeah. But i-poison yesibhamu iningi. So ikhosa i-infection.
Okay.
So abakhona ukuthi bangamvala ngoba fanele ukuthi basoloko bamklina. Yeah, because le infection le yiningi.
Okay.
Hey. Liphele iviki lokuqala, first week gijima i-Forest Hospital. Akabi ngcono baba. No respond from emaphoyiseni. Soloko baqina ngokuthatha i-statement.
Lelanga ebaza ngalo.
Ngalelanga leli ngibathola endlini ekuseni. Iviki lesi-2 sigijima esibhedlela. Kule viki lesi-2 ngolosine. No, not ngolosine. I think it was Friday, if I'm not mistaken. Ngithola i-call. Bathi ayi mama ubaba sesimdlulisela eJohannesburg Jane Hospital. Because akubi nomehluko.
Okay.
Hayi sicela ukuthi ufike. Hayi fonela abantwana beze bazongithatha sirashele eForest Hospital. Hayi ngempela sithi sisahlezi silindile bafika abantu beambulance bamthatha. Silandele ambulance manje ngemoto. Size sofika eJoburg Jane. Singene bamfake casualty bamcheke sihlezi ngaphandle. Hayi basibize bathi hayi uzosala ubaba ngoba manje bazomfunela umbhedo eICU.
Okay.
Yeah. Zikhona izinto ekusamele zenziwe. Okay. Oh, all right. Hayi ningakhululeka mama nihambe. Mara sasa naniza nizomthola eICU. Basho ukuthi ICU ikuphi kweyiphi floor kanjalo.
Okay.
Okay. Hayi sihlala endlini. Sese attendwa manje ilabo baba labo abapatrolayo. Sekuyibo abamani basoloko beza bazosihlola.
Okay.
Amaphoyisa next. I feel ukuthi the police failed me. La bekufanele ukuthi benze umsebenzi wabo khona. I feel ukuthi abo baba ebebapatrola nobaba failed ubaba. Since bebasebenza babonke together. Ukuthi why bangazange baphume ngo2. Because kube baphumile ngo2 mhlawumbe kube babonile ukuthi kwenzakalani. The following day sihambe siye eJoburg Jane. Ngempela ubaba utholile umbhedo. Bathi khona amaphepha ekumele ngiwasayine uyobuyela back etheater.
Okay.
Hayi ngisayina amaphepha ngiwasayine simbone sihlale naye but akasakhulumi. Akasakhulumi nix. Akasashake ikhanda ngoba at least lokho bekunginikeza ithemba lokuthi no man at least yeah kusho ukuthi uzoba right. Ngihambe sasigijima manje eJoburg Jane every day from KwaThema
Joburg Jane.
to Joburg Jane every day. And kuwo wonke lamalanga la bayangifonela eJoburg Journey. Sicela mama uze uzosayina amaphepha babu uzobuyela etheater futhi. Ngithi mina kanti yini engaka. Ubaba soluka yenze theater because angiboni mehluko. Nabo bangitshela istory C1 infection yesibhamu isibhamu sikhose infection eningi so ubaba akekho right. Oh, okay. Third week aseJoburg Journey nakhona sigijima lendlela. I think nge 21 no nge 22 abanga manje from nge 22 zaka May usasibedlela ubaba until baze bangifone babasifonele nge 19 if I'm not mistaken bathi no baqela size
zinyanga ilandelayo
kuJune manje.
Okay.
SasikuJune 3 weeks yonke uqedile sasibedlela. How? Bayangifonela eJoburg Journey bafuna ngize ngizosayina amanye amaphepha. Ngithi angisa understand lamaphepha engisoloku ngasayina. Njalo nje babuye theater mara angiboni umehluko. Kahle ang understand ukwenzakalani. Bathi hayi ikhona medication ebafuna ukuyi-administera kuye. So fanele ngiyisayinele phansi.
Okay.
Ngithi mina izomsiza na. Bathi izomsiza. Okay. Sifike ngempela esibedlela. Hayi nasesifika. Hayi uDr Ngibizi. Hayi mama. Ubaba usesimene singasajabulisi manje. We have tried dialysis because ngathi nama kidney wakhe sewa affected manje. So ama kidney wakhe they are now failing. And namanye nje ama parts omzimba awasa function properly. And then ngathi kunesibhamu esiyesa develop part kwesibindi. So sathera isibindi sakhe apart.
Okay.
So bazamela ukuthi bastishe but asisahlangani. Okay. Athi marage I need to be honest kuwe. Ukuthi ubaba today asimboni kahle. So sicela ukuthi uhlale naye as much as you can. Ngihamba nabantwana njalo. Bababize nabo basifake wodi. Ngoba beka ku side ward. Bathi ayihlalani naye man. Hayi ngibone man the way kungakhona ukuthi hayi man. Akusahambi kahle manje. Sihlale hayi ngithatha ivasilapho ngimsule because bekasangasekho right nala emlomeni. Simsule sihlale nabantwana sixoxe naye no respond. Nendlela manje asekaphefumula ngayo it's different from the way besibona ngakhona previous days. Hayi sihlale ngeze ngithi mina kulabantwana yazini ingqono sihambe ngoba nabo ngiyababona ukuthi abasekho right nabo. Angifuni nabo ukuthi ngibabonise ukuthi kwamina angisekho right manje. Hayi ngitshele le nurse bekune male nurse nje behlezi naye ewodini ukuthi hayi decide ukuhamba athi mama u right ngithi no I'm fine. You're right. Nasiphuma eJoburg Journey it was 7:15. Gijima imoto to KwaThema sifike 7:45.
Mm.
Hayi nasifika babuze laba basendlini, mama nihambe kanjani? Hayi sihambe kahle.
Mm.
Sihambe kahle.
Mm.
Babuze nalaba abanye, nihambe kanjani Thembani, unjani ubaba? Hayi. Uzoba right ubaba.
Mm.
Hayi, ngibona ukuthi yazini akusizi ukuthi labantwana laba ngisoluko ngiyalena le. Ngibatshela ukuthi noma nazi sifike namhlanje strange thing bathi sihlale naye and all that. Kufika omunye ubaba abapatrola naye. Afika ahlala abuza ukuthi sihambe kanjani, ngimtshele.
Mm.
Uthi hayi sihambile man. But akekho right ubaba.
Mm.
Akekho right, hayi akekho right. Hayi namhlanje man bekangangijabulisi.
Mm.
8:05. Kube nje nesiphithiphithi nje endlini, abantwana abaningi bayangena bayaphuma. Ingeni ifoni. Ngithi mina Joburg Jane, ngiyayisave inamba yakhona.
Okay.
Hayi. Inamba yase Joburg Jane le. Ngiphendula. Hayi sawubona mama, yebo unjani? Ngiyaphila, wena unjani? Ngiyaphila. Umama kunene ukhulumayo, ngithi mina yes. Umama kunene. Hayi mama unobani lapha endlini? Ngithi mina nginabantwana. Nobaba ubaba ulikhele. Athi ke lo sefonini, no, nikeza ubaba ulikhele ifoni. Thithi mina hawu. Hayi ngingabuza into eziningi.
Okay.
Yeah, ngizifundele nje engqondweni zami ukuthi ayisekho le ndaba. Thatha ifoni nginikeza ubaba ulikhele, phendula ifoni, ninjani? Basho seJoburg Jane, bamtshela ukuthi hayi baba akasekho. Hey. Ali problem manje. I had a hope. Yokuthi hayi yabona manje sinsase-Joburg Jane, at least kunama specialist bazazama ukumsiza. But kusho ukuthi nabo bahlulekile. And kwanabo ubaba soloka ye-theater azange bake bamvale la. Ubaba was still opened from a Forest Hospital. Wonke lamalanga la nase-Joburg Jane. Baso bathi hayi asifuni ukumvala ngoba siphindele theater. Still from there, nothing from the police. Nothing. Esiyizwayo nix.
Sure. No phone call, no visit,
nothing. Le manje sigijima indaba yase-Joburg Jane. Baba from Joburg Jane seka kuphi manje? Seka se government mortuary.
Okay.
Hey, into yalapha ibhlungu. Ibhlungu to such an extent ukuthi angifuni ukubona omunye umuntu ozo experience lento le mina engiyibonile lapha. Sihlalile man, I'm sure kusiqedile 2 weeks. Iviki lokuqala nje lonke baba ase government mortuary. Nasifika ngalelanga abakamenzi. Nasifika ngalelanga abamenzi bathi mama yiqueue yabantu efanele ukuthi benziwe i-postmortem. Sisalindile.
Hayi mama uthini manje?
I'm telling you. Silinde ngize ngifonela ubhuti wami futhi again. Ngithi bafo no do something man. phela iviki seliphelile manje fanele sipreparele umnqwabo thina sigijima i-government moshari abakamenzi athi ukuphi ngithi ngise-government moshari athi jika ubuyele ekhaya azame-ke ukufona-ke ngendlela afona ngazo athi bafo kusasa nihambeni nelokhanjini ne-government moshari ngempela nasifika kusasa bathi no sebamenzile.
Okay.
Why fanele ukuthi kuze ku-presswe some buttons ukuthi abanye abantu basithole usizo basizakale?
Yes. Laba abanganama-connection.
Laba abanye abangakhoni abanganama-connection kusho ukuthi bazohlala how many weeks balinde bafuna umuntu wabo? Really it's unfair into eyenzeka la eSouth Africa. Ayikho right at all. Siyalimala singabantu. Siyalimala kakhulu. I-government yethu is failing us.
I-worse manje ngoba now the grieving process, it becomes a very an extended, unnecessary.
Nayo nje on its own nje it's affecting. Ngoba abantu nabasoloko bangena, you know, you need to explain manje ukuthi hey sisese busy, i-postmortem ayikakenziwa. Ini fanele sisalindile sisayenzeni. Ubaba wahlala 2 weeks yonke, waze wayongcwatshwa the following week.
Sure. On the 3rd week.
No, kule viki leli lesi-2.
Oh, lesi-2.
Yeah.
Okay, at the end of the 2nd week. Okay.
Yes. Otherwise kuba zange sithole usizo. Kusho ukuthi besohlala ne3 weeks.
Sure.
So lokho bathi i-queue.
Umuntu angaze acabanga ukuthi mhlambe bafuna isincane.
No, the system iyabheda ebayisebenzisayo iyabheda ilimaza abantu kanti abantu bafika already abekho right balimele. And then baphinde futhi bazohlangabezana nesimo esingajabulisi.
Yeah, no, I can't imagine going through that.
Yo. Okay. Sibe nalo nhlanhla leyo ke basikhululele ubaba sihambe siye eKZN. Original ubaba uphuma eKZN.
Okay.
Siprepare umnqwabo kahle siqede uNkulunkulu emuhle sisebenze kahle yonke into ihambe kahle size sibuye ngapha.
Okay.
Still no phone calls from the police, nothing. Ngize ngisuke mina ngihambe ngepolice station ngiyobuza ukuthi kanti kahle kahle kwenzakalani icase ithulile akho phoyisa elizayo lizongitshela ukuthi how far manje senikuphi, is there any person nimtholayo, is there any suspect or in? Ay basifunele ke umama ophethe icase usisi nje.
Okay.
I'm not going to mention her. Hey, yeah. Things are not right. Usisi angitshele ukuthi okwamanje akakayenzi next so far usadila ne informer yakhe. Kusho ukuthi yena uthuma i-informer yiyo emsebenzelayo. So far i-informer ithi isuspecta ukuthi abantu basehostela. Abantu basehostela. Ngithi mina ay bangenapha abantu basehostela kubaba. Ene nakhona wenzeni ebantwini basehostela. Hayi yeah nami yiyo i-information so far enginayo okwamanje mama engingakutshela yona. Thiyo ngimtshele kodwa ukuthi I'm not happy. I'm not happy ngoba iwena une-informer wena. But until now awuzi kimi. Uzongitshela ukuthi okay so far aningakatholi nix. Kwakona lokho kuyabonisa ukuthi at least they are doing something. Hayi kuthule nje kuthi tu. And manje kusho ukuthi depende kule informer.
How?
Yena ngokwakhe kusho ukuthi ayikho into ayenzayo as an investigating officer.
Because she should have now been able to speak to
Exactly.
a lot of people. Ngisho ukuthi
Exactly.
mina nginemibuzo eminingi ehlangane nalabo baba agada nabo lapho. Ukuthi mhlawumbe ikhona nje into abangayisola mhlawumbe engakhipha enye information engasilida somewhere.
Nothing.
Mhlawumbe obomakhe mhlawumbe imoto bayayazi kumele sibuzabuze nakhona.
Yes.
Sithatha ama statements sizokhona ukubona ukuthi mhlawumbe yini etholakalayo.
Nothing.
Because i-informer bekumele siyizile siyazobona ukuthi kwenzakalani somewhere else.
Yes. Kusho ukuthi yena udepende ku-informer. Since ngamqina ngaleso sikhathi leso lo sisi lo. Kazange akeze kwami. Unyaka waphela. Phela unyaka wesi-2 sekunyaka wesi-3 lo. Into nje engiyitholile last year ngabo November. I-SMS.
Case closed.
The case has been closed. And then how ufila kanjani nasekunje? Kusho ukuthi loyo muntu loyo dubula ubaba yena uzihambela free, ukhululekile, whoever or by 2 or by 3 angibazi. But impilo yabo bona iyaqhubeka. What about mina yami impilo nabantwana bami? Sihlala sithukile, sinefear, sihlala sikhiyile ngoba asazi what happened kubaba.
Nanokuthi isukaphi?
Nokuthi isuka kuphi? Yes, isuka kuphi?
Yazi at least mungazi lokho you know ukuthi what are you dealing with.
Exactly. So kuthulile nje kuthulile. uMarch manje kulo June lo esiya kuyibaba uzabaqeda 3 years ashonile. But the case has been closed.
Sure.
Zange ngibuyele emaphoyiseni ngiyobuza ukuthi manje nasenivala icase nivala on what grounds? Angisho befanele ukuthi beze kimi. Bangangithumeli SMS. Yena lo owe informer osebenza ne-informer.
Bekumele zile kuwe.
Bekumele zile ukuthi no mama sihambe kanje sihlulekile siyayivala icase okwamanje.
Sure. It's difficult. Abantwana bakho bayithatha kanjani yonke le?
Yo. Bantwana bami balimele. Balimele. Yes, the way sesiphila kabuhlungu ngakhona noma sekukhala isibhamu siyavuka. Siyazikhalela nje. Siyavuka sihlale. Nomunye athi usizwile ngithi yangisizwile. Baphume emakamereni wabo sonke sihlale la ikamereni lami. Sesiphila ngokusaba.
Lento eyenzakele ijwayelekile nje la endaweni. Akaze nje kube
Ayikaze.
yenzakala.
Ayikaze. Ayijwayelekanga at all.
Bengafuna ukuthi ngazi ubaba kabanzi ukuthi beka umuntu onjani mhlawumbe.
Very strict. Very strict. Ene bekuumuntu obekakhuluma. Umphakathi bowumthanda. bekuwumuntu okhona ukusolve ama-problems.
Mm.
Abantu abaningi bebeza kuye abaney'nkinga
Mm.
ukuthi abasolvele lawo ma-problems lawo.
Mm.
So yiko lokhu ngithi nangiyi-one ngicabanga ukuthi kuyo yonke lento le yenzakalayo kusho ukuthi ukulimala kwakababa it's behind i-patrolling as a whole.
Mm.
Ngoba kusho ukuthi kukhona abanye ebebangasakhona ukwenza izinto zabo
Mhlawumbe.
due to ukuthi basaba ubaba.
Mm. No, that's true.
So babona ukuthi nokungcono ke bamsuse. Bese ingasekho enye indlela bebangayenza.
Mm.
Ngoba abantwana bakhe bayamdinga.
Mm. Mhlambe bazama ukukhuluma naye before or bamsabise ngezinye
Or
izindlela.
bamsabise. Uyabona? Hayi ukuthi bambulale. Especially ngale ndlela le ebambulele ngakhona.
Was he part of the local structures beyond indaba yokupatrola?
No,
Mm.
he was not.
Okay.
Yeah.
Le ndaba yokupatrola isuka kuphi? Why ba patrola yini bekunezinto ebezenzakala?
Bekunezinto ebezenzakala, abantu bayaqekezelwa ezindlini, bathathelwa amafoni endleleni and all that. Yeah, so kwaba bobaba nje.
Okay.
Abahlalayo they feel ukuthi no.
We need to protect our families.
Yeah, let's form this structure. We need to protect the community to our family. Nabanye ke abomama.
Isaqhubeka namanje njengoba ubaba ngasekho.
Seyiqalile manje, but ike yastopa for some time.
Okay.
Yeah, since kwalimala ubaba yastopa, but ngibona futhi sebaqalile futhi.
Okay.
Yeah, bayapatrola futhi. Kwabathusa nabo. Yeah, kwabathusa nabo lokho. Though kwenzeka nje izinto fani ukuthi yabona, you can say yazi ngathi lento le ikhona khona la. Because ungazibuza into eyi-one ukuthi wayengalalanga lela waphuma ayi-one.
Ayiwa. I-culture yabo, indlela yabo yokusebenza mebephuma kunalapha hlanganela khona or kanjani?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bayaphuma kushuthi but angazi ngisho into zangaphandle. So angazi ukuthi bakhulumisana kanjani ukuthi okay sengiphumile but bayaphuma bona ubone ukuthi hayi kushuthi sebahlangene manje.
Yeah, no, yona it's a very tricky situation.
Yeah.
Lento le esikhuluma ngayo wena ika-affecte kanjani?
Yo. Yang-affecta kakhulu. Ngaze ngayolala esibhedlela. Ngaphuma ngigulile nje isikhathi eside. Yeah, ingilimazile kakhulu. For the fact ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi kusho ukuthi labantu laba bakhona bayaphila. Mhlawumbe abanye bayangibulisa ngibazi. Yangilimaza kakhulu. Yeah, nabantwana bami balimala. Yeah.
Ushintsho olubonayo mhlambe singakayi ebantwaneni, what has changed about you right now, umuntu owuye manje versus the person you were before?
Hey, ngokusizwa uNkulunkulu. Nothing has changed kimi.
Okay.
Ukuthi mhlambe ngathi sengikhohlakele or senginjani. Yeah, but nje ngiyafikelwa nje ukukhohlakala nje ukuthi yazi I need to have a gun nami.
And I'm sure it's because of not knowing ukuthi isukaphi yonke le.
Yeah, but ngiyafila nje ukuthi yazi ngifisa ngathi nami ngaba nesibhamu nami. Yeah, whoever nje engizohlangabezana naye. Okuzothiwa lo uye. ngizomhlakaza ikhanda strong the day ngizothola isibhamu ngizomdubula.
Abantwana bona, what sort of changes are you seeing about them?
It's a lot. Andile sekane enga nje engayi-understand lapha endlini since kwayenzeka lento le bashintshile mana abantwana bami bashintshile. Ya nokuhamba basaba sekufanele ukuthi abanye noma umuntu aye endaweni ngifanele ngimkhaphe
Eish.
bayasaba.
Are they still open to talking about their father? Nanokuthi mhlambe si counselane endlini. Do you feel ukuthi maybe there's a gap between you and them? Are you still able to counsel them and speak to them concerning this?
Eish, there's a gap. Yeah. I-gap ikhona kakhulu because noma ngizama mina njengomama but angifiki la ubaba bekafika khona.
Yeah.
And njengabantwana bake baphuma endleleni ne and bebamsaba ubaba wabo.
Okay.
Bekathi nakathi no uno. So angisenayo lo muntu loyo mina ozongimela kubo abantwana yabona. Though ba right bayangisaba but akufanani nobaba.
Okay.
Yeah. So igap inkulu because I can't reach la ubaba bekafika khona.
Yeah. I hear you. So in terms of you opening up about this now, why do you feel that this is the right time to now start talking about this situation?
Ngeke ngazama ukuhamba ama-counselling. Ayikho into engisizile.
Okay.
I feel ukuthi I'm going back. Ngibuyela emuva. Ngoba nangifika endlini I will cry ngikhale yazi ngibona ukuthi yazini. Angeke ngisaya for counselling. Ngoba ngathi ngilimala
Kakhulu, yeah.
So ngibona isikhathi sihambile. I feel ukuthi now let me open up about this. Ngikhulume ngalento mhlambe ngizaba right.
Yeah.
Mhlambe nabantwana bami bazoba right. I don't know but mina sengizikhulumela mina.
Yes.
Yayibona into enjalo. Ukuthi mhlambe ngizoba right ngikhulume ngalento le ngikhulume ngiyikhiphe enhlizweni yami.
Yeah. I hear you. I think nanokuthi ube ne strength sokuthatha leyo decision. It's a form of healing for me in my perspective. Ukuthi manje usuku kwenye indawo engafani nalapho ukhona.
Yeah.
Because you're looking for other different types or different forms of expression. Kodwa mhlawumbe mangabe mongakhona ukuthi ukhulume nabo labantu abayenzile lento. Mhlawumbe sithi bayibukele le episode bazoyibona. Yini ongathanda ukuthi ubatshele yona. Picture them in your mind ukuthi subukene nabo. What would you like to say to them?
Yabona manje umoya wami wehlile. Yabona before bengizolwa nabo kakhulu. Futhi bengeke babelieve if mhlamba abantu abangaziyo ukuthi ngumuntu onjani. Yeah, but I think manje ngakhona ukukhuluma nabo kahle ukuthi yazi lento abayenzile bangibulele. Bangibulele ngiphila. Bangibulele ngiphila kufanana nokuthi kube nami bangidubula. Nami ngashona. Ngoba bazozuzani ngaloko abakwenzile. Or mhlambe bathola imali mhlambe babathengile I don't know but ayikho into abayizuzile. I feel ukuthi laba khona mhlambe nabo bayazisola, I don't know. But nje into ebengizobatshela yona bengizobatshela ukuthi yazi kubeni mane nabulala wonke umndeni. Ngoba abantwana bami bayagula abapholi nami mhlambe kushiwo ukuthi hayi umndeni wakakunene vele nje uphelile. Akekho umuntu ozosala ezobhlungu yabona except my extended families.
Yeah. Ubudlelwane bakho noNkulunkulu right now versus before bunjani?
Ngibona ngimthanda kakhulu uNkulunkulu manje. The strength anginikeze sona until now. And ngibona he played a role ebalulekile empilweni yami ukuthi noma ngabe sekunjani nangibatshela abantwana bami ukuthi yazi uNkulunkulu lesimkhonzayo angikasiyekelele bayangizwa. And I am happy ngoba ngibona nabo bayaya enkonzweni. Noma bangasayi kule sonto leli ubaba asishiye kulo.
Okay.
But I'm happy because sekhona la bayakhona ukuthi no at least bayakhonza. It's better than ukuthi bahlale.
Yeah.
Ngoba I know ukuthi umuntu nakaphumila yenkonzweni now so ubuya you are a different person than ubuya kwakho ekseni. Something has motivated you. Ukuthi no this is another day.
Yes.
And uzibona uba namandla than before.
That's true.
So I feel ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungisebenzele. Nangibala nje into engidlule kuzo until now. Ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungisebenzele kube bengiyomunye umuntu ayi mhlambe kuba ngisakhonzi.
Into eshoyo ngiyayizwa.
Yeah kube angisakhonzi ngoba kuningi man. Kuningi ngoba a member of my family ebengihlala naye omunye was shot again.
Khona lapha endlini?
Same street.
Okay.
Aphumile aya kumngani. Tana kabhuti wami. Kuningi man. Yeah. Umusa. Mntana bese ngimthanda kakhulu. Yazi abantwana bahambe bafune ekhabo baba wabo. He came to me. Umusa wazohlala nami. After incident yakababa.
Okay.
Uyaphuma ebusuku ngoba sekajwayela abangani uya kumngani. Abantu nje abebandlula bababamba inkunzi babathathela amafoni. All of a sudden Umusa bamdubula. Just 3 houses away from my house.
Kudutshulwa yena one out of the people he's with.
Yena one.
Sure.
Leyo yangilimaza kakhulu. Kakhulu. Sesiyakokotelwa ebusuku. Kuthiwa nangu Umusa ulele lapho. Nangifika Umusa ulele. Yes sis. Yabona ngahlanyanga lelo langa lelo ngeke ngiphinde ngisangane. Ngeke ngiphinde.
Sure.
So I feel ukuthi kusho ukuthi labantu laba besibhamo bayangilandela. hence ngithi kungcono badubule mina.
Eish. Unjani uMusa though?
Umusa naye ngimnqwabile,
Eish.
washona.
So sorry to hear that.
Nasifika ekliniki Umusa couldn't survive.
Sure. Shucks.
Ngiyi-1. Why ama-member family members babadubule kanje?
And it's a little bit concerning because you are saying ukuthi akusiyinto ejwayelekile
No.
lapha endaweni ukuthi into engayenzakala.
Yes.
Sure. Now sivusa yonke lento manje.
Seyivusa yonke lento le. Again abantwana sebayaqala bahlakhala nje out of nowhere ahlezi nje sofeni. Qala khala. Yini? Mama, who's next now?
Yeah, ne? Le ndawo esikhuluma ngayo indawo ekuphi?
KwaThema.
KwaThema.
Yeah. Rest in peace. Kune section about rest in peace.
That's so ironic that the place is named that. Uthiwa say rest in peace. I'm sorry to laugh, but you don't usually hear of this sort of thing happening twice even.
Yeah. 2 weeks down the line, sekukhona omunye umuntu abamdubulayo imember yami.
This is 2 weeks after ubaba.
No, not 2 weeks, 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah, ngoba
okay.
into ya last year. Yeah.
Sure. Hey, that is scary. How are you packaging this? Because laba bancane banemibuzo eminingi, and I understand your stance when you say ukuthi from the hospital ubuya nabendini ubuzo ukuba protector.
Yeah.
I guess you are giving yourself time to properly deliver this to them. Okwamanje, how are you packaging this whole thing? Maybe eza nemibuzo eminingi kuwe uthini kubo njengomuntu omdala.
Truly speaking, angisena nyembezi. Kokunye angazi ukuthi ngibaphendule ngithini. Yiko ngithi uNkulunkulu is amazing. Ngoba yabona kube bekuwomunye umuntu kulesimo lesi engisihambile mina. Omunye umuntu kube inhliziyo yama. But I'm still here. I'm still standing, I'm still talking.
Bengizokubuza lokho ukuthi where do you find the strength? But we already spoke about uNkulunkulu.
Yeah, I'm still talking, I'm still going to church, ngihlanganele nabanye abazalwane. Ngikhulume as if everything is fine, but inside I'm not okay.
How are you counseling yourself? What keeps renewing you vele from inside within you?
Ukubona abantwana bami. Ukuthi no, at least I still have them. Nothando ebanginikeza lona. Ukuthi yazi I still have abantwana bami bayangithanda. And every time ngiphumile they will call, Thoko ukuphi? Kulate, come back. Uyabona? Ukubonisa ukuthi yakusho ukuthi bayangikhathalela. Bayangithanda. Uthando lwabo it's enough.
Ngathi I wish ukuthi bangayibukela bayizwe lento eshoyo.
Yeah. Kodwa uthando labo nje it's enough. Yeah. Bayangikhathalela kakhulu nefamily yami. Iyanginakelela kakhulu because they will always call, all right, uvukile. Are you coping? Kona lokho nje it gives me that strength ukuthi at least I have people who are caring.
Okay, yeah. And I always say ukuthi abomama nabo baba wethu nalabantu abasikhulisayo, they leave a mark in our lives. And that mark that they leave is never visible until when things start getting difficult. Until when we start trying to look for reasons to give up, then that mark that they've left within us is most visible. Because uyuzwe abantu abaningi bathi but umama mbengeke ayivumele into engicabangayo.
Yeah.
Kodwa umama mbekangekho kanje or ubaba mbekengeke ayivumele ukuthi yenzakale kanje. So I still feel ukuthi you still stand as a signature in their eyes ukuthi umama akashintshanga, usase umama lo besimazi before baba asishiye. So I'm happy to hear ukuthi you are maintaining your presence and you are maintaining your servitude towards them, ukuthi nanoma bangahlanya bagule bajabule bayephi, they always know ukuthi umama ume kuphi ngale mpilo bayiphilayo. What would if you were to advise someone who's going through what you are going through, what would you say to them? Ukhona umuntu ohlangabezane nalesimo esifana nesakho, mhlambe akalahlekelwanga ngale ndlela olahlekelwe ngayo, kodwa naye ulahlekelwe useyinhlungwini, ungamtshela yini ongamtshela yona?
Yes, kulula ukuthi utshele somebody who has been through this than utshele umuntu ongakazi nje ayibone lento le experience. Kuba lula kakhulu because uyayazi lento ondlule kuyo. Iwani into engamtshela yona ukuthi hey, yasemhlabeni you don't just give up easily. Kanjalo. And uma uwile uyavuka uzithathe man. Yeah, even the enemy next to you angaboni ukuthi uwile. Akubone futhi uvuka. Akubone ukuthi you are still strong. Usese yilo umuntu lo amhlala mbona every day athi nangu usaphila. Angakuboni ukuthi you are going down the drain. Angakuboni. You must always be strong noma ngabe isimo sinjani. Ngoba ezinye izinto it's something that you cannot just uyilungise. It's like now ubaba uhambile and I cannot bring him back.
That's true.
I cannot bring him back though ngiyamdinga. But kungaphezulu kwamandla ami ukuthi ngathi abuye. Ikhona into engeke usakhona ukuyilungisa. Iyekele.
Amukela.
Ngoba awusakhoni lento lokuyilungisa, iyekele. Bakhona bazayilungisa. Wena bheka impilo yakho. Qhubekele phambili. Yilento engingamtshela yona omunye umuntu uthi yazini semhlabeni la. Siphila nabanye abantu abahlukahlukene aba different. But iwani into efanele ukuthi uyinake sibheke wena ukuthi wena manje ukuphi ene wenzani.
That's true.
Ukuze uzosurvive. Yeah, ngoba kubi. Yeah, kubi.
And I think ngibonge mama for sharing, because honestly you're being selfless. It doesn't, maybe in one way or the other it does something to you, but it does more to us that are hearing it. So it's more for us, and in that way I'm really just so very grateful ukuthi you are giving meaning to this journey that is filled with pain. You are making it make sense for other people even when it doesn't make sense to you. I'd just like to appreciate you for that, because a lot of people that are where you are see no point in life generally,
Yeah,
because when you lose
definitely.
what you have treasured for so long, so many memories,
Yeah,
so much laughter, so much love, all gone with the snap of a finger. Why should I even continue?
yeah.
That's where a lot of people are. I had a guest who just left before you came, and she broke my heart because she was talking about a final message that she's sending. That's why she came here. And I'm listening to her. She still has so much life, but she hasn't gone through the ordeal that you went through. Her experience was a little bit different, but to be able to be selfless in that position
Yeah,
is, it's, I call that grace beyond measure, because for you to see God in the pin of that small, in the eye of that small pin,
Yes,
and still believe that it's him,
yeah.
it's grace. Why?
It's
Because
grace.
other people have passed. They've actually followed their loved ones because they struggled to rationalize God in that experience. So for you to still be here and still be willing to say, I'm sharing because I have been through it and I want another person to understand how this experience is, that's like the most purest example of being selfless. Because honestly, what do you get from it? Besides the fact that you are sharing with other people so that they can find themselves through
Yeah,
understanding you
yeah.
better. So I'd like to advise you to not pull back. Don't pull back in terms of sharing. I have the utmost faith that today your children are going to see a side of you that they did not know. When they see this video and they hear you talking the way you are talking, certain things in their minds and in their hearts will make sense. Things that have probably not yet, made sense yet, they will see a different perspective to you. So siyabonga, keep doing the amazing work that you are doing.
Eish.
Nasebandleni, if you are helping people, keep doing that, because I feel like with your persona, your presence, there's so much peace where you are, and you could still give a lot to your children and the world. So this is not the end. I see it as the beginning. A lot of people are gonna come to you now, especially these ones who are watching. They're gonna come to you because people are bleeding, people are hurting.
Yeah,
Yeah, people are in
definitely. Abantu
pain.
balimele.
Yeah, and they are looking for a sense of peace, which is what I feel is something you offer. So ungaba blame mese bekufonela la bakufune endaweni, because they will find you and they will want you to tell them how you are navigating the space. But yeah, I mean, without spoiling anything that you have said, let me just thank you for sharing.
Yeah, no.
I'm uplifted.
No, thank you very much. Yes, even for the time.
Yeah,
Yeah, eninginikeze sona.
Yeah.
Just to come and
yeah,
pure myself out.
yeah.
Yeah, it's a relief.
Mm,
Yeah, khona nje la
yeah.
okuzosuka khona.
Mm,
Yeah, ukuthi yazini today I've done this.
yeah.
Yeah, into
Yeah.
mhlambe ebengaqabangeli ilanga ukuthi I can do it. I'd like to thank my daughter,
Mm,
Themba,
yeah.
because she's the one who's tell mama,
Mm,
asambe sila.
mm,
Abanye babuyele emuva ngathi no, I'll do it.
mm.
I will do it. Ungasabi. Mina I will do it.
Yeah.
Mina.
Yeah.
Even my husband lalele khona if
Yeah.
kuthiwa bayabona,
Yeah.
uyabona ukuthi ngenzani manje.
Yeah.
Yeah. And kwabanye abantu I'm fighting and very quietly
Mm,
because I'm praying.
thank you.
I am praying ukuthi uNkulunkulu angisize
Mm,
and God help me nabo ngelinye ilanga bazophuma bazovela obala
yeah.
bazobonakala ukuthi we did this.
Yeah.
Into ebengafanelanga ukuthi siyenze bazozinikela emaphoyiseni.
Yeah.
Kuzabe kumkhuleko wami lo.
Yeah.
And I wish namunye umuntu athandaze kakhulu uma ngabe hlangabezana nesimo esinje because akekho omunye umuntu ozomsiza ngaphandle koNkulunkulu. Makhelwane uzokuhleka, omunye uzokuhleka, umngane uzozazi ukubheka ukuthi how are you behaving, but uJehova angeke abe nezinye izinto ku, instead he will protect you. Uzokubamba ngesandla sakhe la kufanele khona, la kubona khona ukuthi now you are getting weak.
Yeah.
Akuphakamise. Exactly.
Siyabonga mama. Sigcine nje ngemthandazo yenu. Masibona isikhanya sishayina kanje sibe ngathi si-fresh. Sigcina nje ngemthandazo kabomama. Because thina kuningi esikukho, sometimes even things that, you know, when you are young, your mind doesn't function like, you know, where you are. So I'm just saying ukuthi as much as we might boast as young people, we are strong because of our mothers and our elders who are praying for us. So don't cease to pray. Sizoze sifike la nikhona nani sikhona isiqale sithandaze njengani.
Yes.
Yeah, and uNkulunkulu sinaye. Mani nje abaningi bethu because of peer pressure nendawo esikuzo, we fail to acknowledge his presence in our lives.
Yes.
And what happens mostly is that God will lock you up in a corner.
Exactly.
And force you to face him.
Yeah.
But until that time comes, and the unfortunate thing about us as children is we don't know what we need. We only think we do. We don't, because you nina badala inensenibona izinto eziningi. So we are grateful for your presence. I think mina la kunomuntu omdala khona, wherever I go, I just feel ukuthi ngifuna nje ukuhlala lapho.
Yeah.
And I don't want to run away. Sometimes you are learning about yourself when someone is talking. So siyabonga kakhulu mama.
Yeah, I just wish nabanye abantwana bangathanda abazali babo. Yeah. Baba cherish. Life is short. Yeah, umthanda umzali wakho, ummamele. Noma ngabe isimo sesinjani, but umthanda, umnikeze lelo thando lelo. Uzokuphilela isikhathi eside.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true.
Isikhathi eside.
That's true. Mina I always view it like uNkulunkulu unginika ibhakede eligcwele uthando.
Wow.
And lo thando lelo kumele ngilichithe lonke kumama nobaba.
Yes.
Ane basasekhona.
Yeah. That's
Here's
nice.
what happens when they leave. Le bhakede leliya. Uyabona lo thando lelo ligcwele lapha kule bhakede becomes grief. When they are gone, I always say grief is love that doesn't know where to go.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it that love haunts you and it eats you up, because you remember ukuthi bekumele angiyenzanga lo, because it didn't show the love that you were supposed to that person while they were still there. So ibhakede lakho lisagcwele kahle. Yeah, and when you're young can't yashis. But yeah, ngiyabonga mama. I think asivale khona la. I really appreciate the fact that you took your time, and I know that you guys are going to, you know, go through and try to get in touch with her. I'm not sure if you're comfortable about sharing where they can find you. But yeah, if they want to find you, maybe you'll give me a heads up. I'll put down your numbers and they will reach you if you're comfortable, because there's a lot of people that are looking for counseling, but we'll talk about that a little bit later off camera. Guys, ngiyabonga kakhulu that you have been with us, and I believe that this is one of those uplifting episodes. This for me is a very touching story, but it's a story with meaning. It's a tale that has so many lessons about you, and your direction, where you're going as an individual, and also just making sense of these sort of situations when they come to us. I don't believe Uguchi I can end this episode without thanking all of you who have been supporting us from the beginning up until this spot where we are. We encourage you to continue doing that. Don't hesitate to DM us, drop us a WhatsApp, drop us a DM on any platform. We're on TikTok, we're on Facebook, we're on YouTube. I think we're also on Instagram. Alternatively, if you want to sit with us here, if you want to sit with me here on this platform, don't hesitate to contact me on the number that's being showed on the screen. For me and the team in studio and our beautiful guest, it's bye for now.